Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put grid coordinates into Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps application on your device or navigate to the website in your browser. You can enter coordinates directly into the search bar. Google Maps is quite flexible and recognizes several common formats, making it easy to find your desired location. This method is quick and efficient for pinpointing exact spots. The simplest way to enter coordinates is using decimal degrees. For example, you would type 34, 0522 minus 118, 2437 directly into the search bar. Remember, the first number is latitude and the second is longitude. A positive latitude is north, negative is south. A positive longitude is east, negative is west. Press enter, and Google Maps will take you right to that spot. If you have coordinates in degrees, minutes, and seconds, Google Maps can handle that too. An example would be 34 degrees 0308, 0 and 118 degrees 1437. 3W. You can also use 340308N, 118 1437W without the symbols. Just ensure you include the N, S, E, or W designators for direction. This format is often used in navigation and surveying. Always double-check your coordinates for accuracy before searching. A small error can lead you to a completely different location. Pay close attention to the positive and negative signs as they determine the hemisphere. If you're looking for more ways to navigate your financial future, a book that can truly change how you think about money is *The Simple Path to Wealth*. Check the description below for a link to this book and other helpful deals. Happy navigating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.